Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make jump cuts in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing you'll have to do is drag your head right here into the part where you want to cut it. So just use the blade tool to cut it right there and cut it again where you want it to zoom in. So from there, let's just go back to our selection point. From here, all you want to do is actually zoom into the person using inspector right here and zoom in to the person or the subject you're trying to track. So here, let's just track it and position them in the right angle. So there you go. So that is how you make a jump cut right there. It's pretty simple. So you can smoothen this out if you want using effects and not too much zoom. So just the right zoom will do it. So not really super zoomed like here, but that's a jump cut right there. As you can see, there you go. So there you go guys, that is how you make a jump cut in Davinci Resolve. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.